if they're gonna put this team out early, because nung last game, no, and it was a much different team, kalaban ng Bataan, no, different management yun, different head coach as Reyna Lugnatan. Most especially after nung dalawang panalo nila, yung una kalaban ng Abra, which happened on May 2. I don't know, not maybe for the players, no, but for the fans and especially for the panel.
Oo nga.
Diba?
They save it, but only 5 on their shot clock. Estacio, not even close.
A terrific coverage, you know, the first action.
Andre Duremdes has missed the past couple of months because of that hand injury.
Anytime you have that type of an injury, no, nakakita natin, nakakasma yung kamay. Mga two hands, you know, with the ball, shooting, obviously, unless you're shooting with one hand. Pero pinaka-test talaga dyan yung pasensya mo. Months na eh, sabi mo nga.
Yeah. Buries the free from the top of the key. Labang ang San Juan, 10-6.
Palpal.
Sumugod si Lakap.
Listen, Ken, all I'm gonna say is there's a reason why he was called the Destroyer. Okay. My point is,
Alforque turns down the outside jumper, draws closer. That jumper pops out. De Soyo with the basketball. Pasa kay Larsuma.
Nice
Umikot. Lays it in.
San Juan, just like in the last game against Bataan, wherein they only won by 7 points. In the first quarter was only up by 3, so it's a close one to start with. Tsaka wala ng challenge, obviously, itong San Juan. Agaw pa.
Brian Lakap.
Nice.
Gets a head start against Jerry Abadiano. Estacio. Cut inside De Soyo. Nahanap ng papasahan. Tosi lalapit. Leading in. And that back shot is good. Brian Lakap. Nakawala sa depensa. Lays it in. Wamar sees it. Will heave it from half court. Almost. And the first quarter comes to an end.